Okay, so they are in Stateroom 5660 on the Disney Dream. Oh, we've got the little seahorse as our hooks. So in we go to explore. We're literally right opposite the lifts and things as well with the first door. So we've got wardrobe on your left-hand side. So we've got a safe, plenty of storage down here, laundry service lists, hangers and 2 life jackets. Oh no, I think there is 3, sorry, in that side. Then this one is your next wardrobe. So again, oh, it's because it's a child life jacket and an adult one. There's plenty of hanging rail here, more storage and 3 nice big cubby holes down there as well to store things in. Then we have drawers. So I don't think there's anything in these drawers. No, so we've got 3 drawers there, and then we have the little kind of cubbies here. Connecting door, we're not with anyone with a connecting door at the moment, and the 4 glasses. And then this is the bedroom. So you've got 2 little hooks here. They're always handy for hanging things up. And on the other side, when you come in, is your split bathroom and toilet shower area. So the toilet's in here. So you get a little Mickey on the towel, look at that. I'm just looking for the soap, can't see any soap in this bathroom actually. Normally there's a little, I'm sure there's normally a little soap there. So there's 2 shelves here. Lovely little Mickey towel there, and another shelf up here. So there's plenty of space in it. There is a little lip going up. I'll just say watch your step. And then this one is going to be the shower area. So again, you've got a bath, and the shower is over the top of the bath. So you have the shower, and then you have the 2 little rails that pull out, and then it's like the H2O. So we've got big bottles of body wash, conditioner and shampoo. These nice handles there to hold on to. Got the shower, the Mickey towels, and then again it's pretty similar to the other thing. You've got a little bin there. Oh, there's a little soap in this one. Bath soap there. I've got an extra body lotion here. Makeup flannel, some little flannels here. A nice light over here. It is good for doing your makeup in this one. And you've got more towels here, and on the back of the door is also a full length mirror. So another good place when you're getting changed and things. Not sure if there's a full length mirror on this door. I've got to have a look now. No, so the full length mirror is on the back of the door that your shower and your toilet is in. Now the bed here. So there is drawers either side with plugs. Oh, it's different voltage plugs under that one. And you can feed the wires through here. And then these are the cool little lamps where they have all the Disneys in the world on them, all the parks. You can just see here. And then our room's lower because we're on floor 5 where the kids' floor is. So they made the ceiling lower to make the children feel like they were in a smaller space, I think it was. I can't remember what it was called now. There's another lamp there, and that's the main light. Telephone. Oh, apparently we have a missed call. Oh no, press 1 for missed calls. Another little thing there. And then again, I think there's... Oh no, there's no plugs and sockets under that one. This curtain is really handy because it comes across. So like when Matilda's asleep on this side, we can pull the curtain across. So we've got TV, remote, and more storage here. And in here is going to be our mini fridge. Yeah, a mini fridge. Nice little plush chair here. Then there's more storage here, so you always get the good morning breakfast signs in here where you can choose your breakfast selection. Then we ordered a package which I'll tell you about in a moment. Hairdryer outlet, more plugs, and then I think is it under here that there's the... They used to have USB. And there is another nice little cubby here. And then you have 3 drawers. So we've got our hairdryer. Another one. Oh, sorry, I'm really struggling. Another one there. And then this will be Matilda's bed. So this will pull down into a bed. So at the moment it's a sofa. So some of the rooms have a bed in the ceiling. But again, because we're on floor 5, this doesn't have a bed in the ceiling. So what happens is this pulls down like this and turns into a bed. So Matilda can have a head either way she wants. And that's her little bed. It'll get made up later. That's her bed for the evening. And then it just, stateroom host will come and do it for you and they'll put it back again. I don't know, they normally leave the pillow inside it. I can't do it at the minute. I'm struggling with my arm. Back to the sofa. And then what I like is that they have their own little light above here as well. So it's like a nice little night reading light. And you've got a lovely little picture here with stamps on. And again, you can close this off. So we went and bought the beer mug package. So you buy the beer mug because you have the 25th anniversary beer mug. You get to keep the beer mug and you can just refill it on the ship. And then because it's our wedding anniversary, we chose this one. So our wedding anniversary is next month, but we can't come away in September because we're always in school. So we chose this for each other. So it's the Bon Voyage non-alcoholic blue chocolate box. So you get the bottle here with a nice little bag, Disney Cruise Line. You get a fresh rose, 2 glasses, and in here is a box of little chocolates. So we did, like I said, we did pay for this one. It was like an extra to add into your room. And then here should be robes. So we plugged it with, this was the romance package. So in the romance package, you both got a dress robe and you get to keep the robe. So once I've got those out, I'll show you those. And then we have our silver castaway gifts. So it's our 3 lanyards and our Castaway Club bag. Oh my gosh, this robe is the softest, comfiest, fleeciest fabric. It's so nice. So we both get a robe each. I think they just come in like one standard size it was, but they're really nice. They're embroidered, saying Disney Cruise Line. Look at how thick and fleecy they are. And they're really long as well. I'm really pleased with that. So that's what it came with. It came with 2 robes. The champagne glasses are for the wine, so you can't take the glasses. The wine, the rose, and the chocolates. Out onto the veranda now. So this room actually has an extended veranda, which means we get 2 sun lounges. We didn't pick this room, by the way, we were GTY, so this is the room that we were given. So GTY means that you're guaranteed a stateroom in that category. So we chose veranda category, and this is the veranda room that we were given. So I've never had one of these before, extended verandas. So we get 2 sun lounges, 2 chairs, and a table. It's huge. It's really, really nice. You will get people like in those rooms there. I had heard about this, that people above can obviously look down on you in this part because yours is like double the size basically. But if you're under there, you'd be fine, or you know, you're not going to get many times people looking out on you. But it looks amazing. You can see everything from here. So you can see we're on this side, so when we pull off, we'll be the side pulling off. You can see them loading everything up. It's a great view, there's IKEA and everything. So we were just over there this morning in our hotel looking at it coming in. I'm going to stand in this corner and do it at 0.5 not really to get the grandeur of the scale of it. So you can see there how big it is. It's a really, really big balcony, which will be great when it's really warm and sunny. Okay, so this is the robe that comes with it. So I've just rolled up the cups. Because the cups are a tiny bit long, but it is so plush. And look at how long it is as well. It's like right down near the bottom of my leg. And I have got clothes on, by the way, don't worry. I'm just trying to show you it's huge. So I can see why the one size fits all, but they're so snuggly. I can't wait just to come back to the room at night and snuggle in it. It'll be so nice. And these are the chocolates that come inside the romance package. So you've got one that says welcome aboard, and then they kind of look similar. There's like 2 of those, one of those like, but there's no what's the word, like menu with it. Yeah, so I'm folding it all back up again, and I even looked underneath, but it just kind of gives you the ingredients and things. So I'm sure we'll work it out as we go. Just as assorted chocolates. They do look nice, to be fair. So we're going to pop them in the fridge for later.